Just a quick video to show you if you're new to Campervan and hookups like we once were. You just basically have this here and you lift here, place in. If you want to obviously separate, you have your little button here and you pull out nicely, so nice and easy. And then if we follow the lead all the way, because this is why sometimes you need to have this really long lead, because we bought this long lead thinking we'll never use it, and now here we are, all the way over past the lovely bikes into another plot and connecting to our number, which you can see here. So nice and easy again. Luckily France is the same as what we had in the UK. You can see there, and then you're hooked up, and obviously, as I said, when disconnecting, this one's nice and easy. Just pull out, walk all the way back because it's such a long lead through this plot to our plot. You can see here I'm actually just packing away, so, and it's such a long lead, and I come all the way here and yeah, disconnect. Now I always secure this because rookie error, I have driven down, got onto the motorway and seen it flapping away. So there you go, that's just a quick introduction. Now I've got to try and get this lead nicely packed into that little cable cozy bag, so it keeps it flat so that we have lots of space in the van, because we're packing to move on to the next campsite. As you can see, Molly's 1 week into her holiday and she's hello Moll, she's recovering. She had a late night. There you go. So just to show you now, we've moved to our next campsite and this is our long lead. We used it all up. They said it was big enough. Oh, and that's the next camper's going to come in. They're going to have a nice little bit of our rope. But yeah, used it all up the first time. Get a long lead extension. You are wrong.